Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Hi guys, thank you for tuning in on this episode of Slikhaar TV. Today we will show you how to get slick hair. And Leo, today you will see how to get this haircut. Alright, so Leo, today you would like to...
wait a second. Yeah.
You would like to ask a lot of questions because you get a lot of questions all the time on the customer support line.
That's right. I hear you guys all the time asking about how it's possible to get a hair like Emil. I know that it's very difficult, and you see the videos on YouTube and you think how it's possible to get that kind of hair. And here we have the expert.
So a little recap on how to have great hair. Step number one, you have to go get a good shower every morning. Use a shampoo and a conditioner. Number two, when you get out of the shower, then you blow dry your hair and you use a pre-styling spray. We advise you to use the SIDEKICK or SIDEKICK Zero. That way you can boost a high volume, and then that's the first step before adding the hairstyling product. Step number three, you add the hairstyling product, and then you should not go with that much product because you already have the good volume. So it's kind of just sealing the hair straws together. Step number four, get a good relationship with your barber or stylist. Then you will also be able to develop the hairstyle in the future because the stylist or barber know your hair. And step number five, be awesome. Cheers.
You guys ask all the time, what's the difference between the Gold Digger and the Dynamite clay?
The main difference, Dynamite clay is a clay-based wax. It feels like you have a sandy feel to it. And when you apply the clay wax, you have to heat it up really good because then you release it and open up the wax. It's a very hard one and also a little bit heavy, but I think it's good if you want that kind of messy look without too much hold, and it's pliable during the day, then you should go for the Dynamite clay. But the Gold Digger wax, it's the single most popular one in the Vilain line. It has a very high hold and a matte finish, and it's very nice and easy to apply. And you can shape the hairstyle in the different ways you want, but make sure that you blow dry your hair with the SIDEKICK pre-styling spray before you do it. It makes it much easier to use the product.
There's some barbers asking how you made this happen. Because you have that matte finish.
Yeah.
It's matte finish. It's incredible how you made it. It is a secret, or?
It's a company secret, but I can tell you that we started the process 6 years ago, and it took 9 months to develop the Gold Digger recipe. And it's made in Denmark, and we spent hours, thousands of hours in the developing process because we wanted to make this perfect product that fulfilled the needs of the customers and also the stylist, of course. But it's very important that the customers, the end user, can use the product in the everyday routine. Mm-hmm. But in this product, we have our own perfume. It's made in Germany, and it's shipped to Denmark to be added to in the production.
It's full quality.
Yeah, and also we spent a lot of time in Slikhaar studio testing the different samples before we were satisfied. And we couldn't settle for less, so actually the real launch date was extended with 3 months. So that's how it is when you want something great. Wow. It doesn't come overnight.
This is a long story. If you guys are new subscribers, you maybe don't know, but Rasmus and Emil, they have been developing.
You can say it in Spanish if you like, for the Spanish viewers.
Ooh, Spanish viewers. I have one viewer there. With her now. Hola Latinoamérica. Estamos aquí con Emilio en Latinoamérica, ¿no? No, que es de España, se ríe porque ese debería ser el nombre. Si tú eres un suscriptor nuevo del canal, tú no debes tener idea de lo que estamos haciendo. Estos productos han sido desarrollados por Rasmus y Emil hace más de 9 años. Han estado en proceso y han creado la estrella de la casa, Gold Digger, que es nada como lo que tú conoces, nada de los gels ni las otras ceras. Tiene un acabado mate y una firmeza y un agarre único.
Oh, were you talking about my...
Yeah, we are talking about...
My pimple? Not everyone has the same hairstyle, but you'll find your way to look good. and you can find what you like here on our channel and apply it to your life. Or you could go somewhere else, maybe to the barber, and ask for his or her advice. And then remember, there's nothing like looking good, so the goodness comes from inside, and then you should smile to the outside. Now I think we should go and check out how this hairstyle is done.